Continuing yesterday's work, if in triangle ABC, side A is root 3 plus 1, angle B is 30 degrees and angle C is 3B by 2, find the angles and the sides. Please see here now, I begin the solution here. Given side A root 3 plus 1, given angle B 30 degrees and angle C is 3B by 2. Three into 30 by 2. This comes to 45 degrees. So angle B is 30, angle C is 45. We can find out angle A now. A is equal to 180 minus these two angles. A is 105 degrees. You are asked to find out the angles and the sides. Your angles are ready. B is 30, C is 45, A is 105. Let's go to find out the sides now. We have by sine rule, sine A by A is equal to sine B by B is equal to A by B. Sine A by sine B is A by B by proportionality. Once again I want to write here, don't mistake that value of sine A is written, value of sine B is written. Sine A by sine B is equal to A by B. Sine A, angle A is 105 degrees. Sine B, B is given 30 degrees. Side A is given root 3 plus 1. Side B we have to find out. Check up once again. Sine A is sine 105 degrees. Sine B is sine 30 degrees. Small a, that is side A, is root 3 plus 1. Small b, side B we have to find out. I am proceeding. Cross multiply. B sine 105 degrees is equal to root 3 plus 1 into sine 30 degrees. Cross multiplication, B into sine 105 degrees is equal to root 3 plus 1 into sine 30 degrees. Value of 105 is not available to me, so I am calculating. Please see how I calculate. One not 5 is 180 minus 75, root 3 plus 1, sine 30, 1 by 2. This is sine 180 minus theta is sine theta, root 3 plus 1 by 2. The value of sine 75, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, you are required to remember. For your reference, I will write here sine 75 degrees is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 is substituted for sine 75, root 3 plus 1 by 2 as it is. So, B is equal to, watch carefully, root 3 plus 1 by 2 is the right hand side already. This root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 becomes 2 root 2 by root 3 plus 1. After all cancellations, you get root 2. So, side B is root 2. We have taken sin A by sin B is equal to A by B and got B is equal to root 2. You have to find out side C now. See here. You can take same kind of ratio, any other two. Sin B by sin C is equal to B by C. Sin B, sin 30 degrees, sin C, C is already there 45 degrees. Side B you have just found out root 2. Side C you have to find out now. Understand once again, sin B by sin C is equal to B by C by proportionality. Sin B is sin 30 degrees, sin C is sin 45 degrees, B by C, small b, that is side B, is just found out, is equal to root 2. So, B by C, root 2 by C, I am proceeding. Cross multiply C into sin 30 degrees is equal to root 2 into sin 45 degrees. Substituting the values, sin 30 1 by 2, this is root 2, this is 1 by root 2. Sin 45 1 by root 2, these two will cancel, C is equal to 2. These 2 will go here, C is equal to 2. So, you have found out all the angles and all the sides. The question says find the angles and the sides, you have to write now. A is equal to 105 degrees, B is equal to 30 degrees given already, C is equal to 45 degrees, small a is given root 3 plus 1, small b you have found out, and small c also you have found out. This is your answer. Question says find angles and sides, all the angles are listed, all the sides are listed. We are going to solve another problem from the same chapter, continuation. In triangle ABC, the angles A, B and C are in AP arithmetic progression and the ratio of B and C is given. Find the value of cot A. Please see here. Before solving this question, one important note. Angles A, B, C are in AP. To B is equal to A plus C. When AP to B is equal to A plus C, you can see one example of any AP. 3, 5, 7. You can see 2 times 5 is equal to 3 plus 7. This holds for any arithmetic progression. See one more example. A, B, C are in AP. AP means second term minus first term is equal to third term minus second term. Shift B here, you will get 2B is equal to A plus C. Remember this about AP, very important thing. 2B is equal to A plus C. Now also I have written A, B, C are in AP, 2B is equal to A plus C. Proceeding. A plus C is 180 minus B. This B is shifted here, 3B is equal to 180 degrees or B is equal to 60 degrees. A, B, C are in AP, 2B is equal to A plus C is 180 minus B, 3B is equal to 180, so B is equal to 60 degrees we have found out. I am proceeding. Given B by C is equal to root 3 by root 2. See carefully, B by C is equal to root 3 by root 2, sin B by sin C is equal to root 3 by root 2. B you have just now found out, sin 60 degrees by sin C is equal to root 3 by root 2. See once again, A, B, C are in AP, 2B is equal to A plus C is 180 minus B, This gives you B is equal to 60 degrees. B by C is equal to root 3 by root 2 is given by proportionality. Sin B by sin C is equal to root 3 by root 2. B is 60 degrees. I have substituted, cross multiplying. Root 3 into sin C is equal to root 2 into sin 60. See cross multiplication carefully. Root 3 into sin C, root 2 into sin 60, and proceeding. Value of sin 60, root 3 by 2, you are expected to remember. Value of sin 60, root 3 by 2, sin C as it is, we do not know sin C, that is root 3 here. Once again proceeding, please see carefully. Sin C is equal to, your root 2 will cancel this 2, leaving root 2 here. This root 2 will cancel this 2, leaving root 2 here. This root 3 is this side 1 by root 3. If you want to understand this one clearly, please see this one. See carefully. This 2 I am writing as root 2 into root 2. After cancellation, root 3 by root 2, that is what I have written here. This work will be done many times in many chapters. You have to understand very clearly how this operation has come. Every time it is not possible to do or show this one. Root 2 into root 3 by 2. Root 2 is as it is, root 3 and 2. This 2 is root 2 into root 2. These will cancel, leaving root 3 by root 2. And this root 3 is shifted here as 1 by root 3. These will cancel. Sin C is equal to 1 by root 2. And you know 1 by root 2 is the value of sin 45 degrees. So sin C is equal to sin 45 degrees. Therefore, C is equal to 45 degrees. In the previous class, I have already told you, don't think sin is cancelled. We have compared sin C with sin 45. By comparison, we are writing C is equal to 45 degrees. Now, we know the angle B, we know the angle C. Let us find out angle A. Angle A is 180 minus B plus C. (180 minus 60 plus 45). This is 105. So 75 degrees. Angle A is 75 degrees. What is required? Value of cot A. Find the value of cot A. Cot A is equal to cot 75, and the value of cot 75 you have to remember 2 minus root 3. This is your answer. Here I am writing, please see here, tan 75 is 2 plus root 3, cot 75 is 2 minus root 3. You have to remember these values. In the previous question also, sin 75 root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, you have to remember this value. Here also tan 75 2 plus root 3 or cot 75 2 minus root 3, that is the answer when the value of cot A. Please see in the preceding example, ABC are in AP that led to B is equal to 60 degrees. You are therefore expected to remember whenever they say angles ABC are in AP, then it follows that angle B is equal to 60 degrees. Please note, it is not possible to write every time all this work. Straight away, whenever they say angles ABC are in AP, I will write angle B is equal to 60 degrees. All this working will not be required. Straight away, ABC are in AP means B is equal to 60 degrees. The mean angle, please see here, the mean angle is 60 degrees. For example, if they say ACB are in AP, then angle C will be 60 degrees. The mean angle will be 60 degrees. Or if they say BAC are in AP, the mean angle A is equal to 60 degrees. This point may be remembered, it will save your working, it will save your time above all. Now another part, please see carefully here. Certain values you are required to remember, we can't do anything with that. Sin 75 is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 is equal to cos 15 degrees. 75 plus 15 is 90 degrees. In the previous classes I have told you they are complementary properties. Sin 75 is cos 15, that is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Similarly, cos 75 is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 is also the value of sin 15 degrees by complementary property. Similarly, here also tan 75 degrees is the same as cot 15 degrees, or tan 15 degrees is the same as cot 75 degrees. Remember these things, they will be helpful in solving questions. I am solving another question now, please watch. In triangle ABC, show that B plus C cos B plus C by 2 is equal to A cos B minus C by 2. We are going to prove this. B plus C cos B plus C by 2 is equal to A cos B minus C by 2 in triangle ABC. I am proceeding with the solution, please see the left hand side. B plus C cos B plus C by 2. I am proceeding, please concentrate. A into B plus C by A, that is multiplying and dividing by A. Cos B plus C by 2 can be written sin A by 2. In the previous classes you have seen cos B plus C by 2 is sin A by 2. B plus C is written here. I have written B plus C by A and taken one A for compensating the multiplication. So B plus C by A, by proportionality property, this will become sin B plus sin C by sin A. B plus C by A, sin B plus sin C by sin A, by proportionality property. Every time you need not mention, if you write sin B plus C plus sin C by sin A, you must know that we have not substituted, we have followed the proportionality property of the sines of the angles of triangle. B plus C by A as sin B plus sin C by sin A. Sin C plus sin D, there is a formula 2 sin C plus D by 2, that is B plus C by 2 cos B minus C by 2. Transformation formulae you are expected to know. Sin B plus sin C, 2 sin B plus C by 2 cos B minus C by 2, and sin A, multiple submultiple angles formulae, 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. See once again, B plus C by A, sin B plus sin C by sin A by 2 as it is, cos B plus C by 2 is sin A by 2, sin B plus sin C by transformation formula, this is 2 sin b plus c by 2 cos b minus c by 2, and by multiple sum multiple angles formula, sin A is 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. Proceeding. This 2 will cancel this 2, this sin A by 2 will cancel this sin A by 2, and sin B plus C by 2 is being written as cos A by 2. Sin B plus C by 2 is being written as cos A by 2, cos B minus C by 2 remains as it is by cos A by 2. Understand once again, sin B plus sin C, 2 sin B plus C by 2 cos B minus C by 2, sin A 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2, sin B plus C by 2 is cos A by 2, this 2 will cancel, this sin A by 2 will cancel this sin A by 2, leaving cos A by 2 here. Now after cancellation of cos A by 2 you got A cos B minus C by 2. This is your right hand side to be proved.